there friends, it's Melanie and I'm here today to share my grocery haul for the week with you. I went back to Walmart today. In the past I've expressed that Walmart is definitely not my place to shop. I don't really enjoy it all that much, but the prices are decent. It's close to where I live. It's, you know, it's just convenient. So while it's not my favorite, it's where I've been going a lot lately. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up this week. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start with the dairy section here. I picked up a big tub of sour cream. This will last us a little while, but my family uses this anytime we have burritos or tacos or anything like that. Plus we use it to make dip, so this won't last us a really long time. But for anyone who's curious, this is cheaper to get at Costco. It's the same size that you can get at Costco for about $1 to $1.50 cheaper. So just as an FYI. I picked up 2 of my favorite coffee creamers. These will last me a week or more, so I got 2 of those. I picked up some yogurt for Kyler, and this is the one Grant picked out for himself. He wanted the cotton candy flavor. And then I picked up 2 half gallons of the organic whole milk for my kiddos. In produce, I picked up a package of shredded lettuce as well as just an iceberg lettuce mix. I got some bananas, some tomatoes, and then it's not pictured here because I went yesterday and I got strawberries and cucumbers and some more bananas. I got grapes. I got several things because I just happened to be there and we had no fruit in the house. So I wanted to fix that situation. So I picked some stuff up there. So we're good on fruit. I just want to let you guys know we have way more fruit and vegetables than what you're actually seeing here. I picked up some of this ravioli. I got the 3 cheese and I got the spinach and ricotta, not ravioli, tortellini that we will be having one night. I already said the tomatoes. Sorry about that guys, the battery on my camera died, so I had to switch over to my phone. So let me just continue. I got some chipotle cheddar cheese sticks. It just sounded really good to me. So I haven't tried these before, wanted to give those a try. I got some pepperoni and some Canadian bacon because we are going to make homemade pizzas one night. For that I also got some mozzarella cheese. And then I picked up this big bag of shredded cheddar cheese just for us to have for any other meals that we're going to need it. That'll last us a little while. I got some roast beef from the deli. We are going to have French dip sandwiches tonight. And I had everything else that I needed except for the meat and the bread. So that's what that is for. I picked up some of these cinnamon and brown sugar diced peaches, as well as some diced pears for my kiddos. I got some of this fully cooked breakfast sausage. So I just thought, I mean, I like to have stuff like this on hand to make for my kiddos. Yeah, so moving on, I got some pumpkin spice breakfast bars. Obviously this is a limited edition thing. This is something that you'll see a lot of during the fall. And I just like to try different things like this when they come out. So I got 2 boxes of these. I'm sure my kids are going to love them. This is another thing that I've never purchased before, but I've seen a couple of times. I didn't buy any chips, but I bought more crackers and type things this week. So I got these Alfredo pasta chips as well as the marinara pasta chips. I'll have to let you guys know what my kids think of those. It just sounded interesting. So Grant asked for these, so I got him some of the zesty cheddar ranch Cheez-Its, and Kyler wanted the Ritz crackers. So like I said, they eat a lot of crackers, whether it be as part of a meal or, you know, as a snack. So they got those. These are one of the things that I allow myself to have as a treat. This isn't really, I mean, it tastes like a treat for sure, but it actually has 13 grams of protein and only 5 grams of sugar, which is really good. The triple chocolate is my favorite, but Power Crunch bars are becoming really popular, and I love them. I got this dip mix. The Fiesta Ranch is a really, really good flavor. We like that a lot. I got some vitamins for Grant because he's completely out. Some light bulbs that we need for a cabinet in our dining room. I got these to put out around the house. I'm going to try really hard not to eat them, but they are so, so good. I actually really like the way they smell too. Does anybody else know what I'm talking about? They smell so good. I got some Hershey's Kisses. Again, I'll just put these out and we'll work on those over the next, I don't know, month or so. We don't eat a whole lot of candy, but I like to have some of it out every now and then. I have been struggling with my allergies, and so I got some of the allergy relief. I think that this is, yeah, this is like the Claritin. So I'm going to start taking this every day and see if that helps. I picked up some of these rolls. I will use this and make sandwiches. There's a recipe on Pinterest. I've seen it everywhere, so you've probably also seen it, but that's why I got that. Some hamburger buns. We are going to have barbecue chicken sandwiches one night. And these are the rolls that I will be using with our French dip sandwiches. So I picked up those. I needed barbecue sauce to make the barbecue chicken or the barbecue pork sandwiches with. Some mayonnaise because we are down to about half a jar, which will not last long in our house. Pizza sauce for our pizza. Alfredo sauce to go with our tortellini. I picked this up. I've never purchased these, but it just sounded good, and I'm always trying to get my family to try new things. So we're going to try these. If you guys have ever tried them, let me know what you think about them. And then I just got 2 cans of just regular green beans. And my kids are absolutely obsessed with ramen noodles, so I went ahead and got them those. They'll have those one day per week, and that will last us quite a while. That is everything that I picked up, unless you guys see anything that I missed. I'm looking to see if there's anything else. I don't believe that there is. I'll tell you that the total that I spent today was $165 and some change. That's really not too bad considering that I shop for basically 7 people. If I'm going to get any of that back from Ibotta or the Walmart Savings Catcher app, I'll try to put a little note in here and let you guys know. I won't know about the Walmart Savings Catcher until probably a couple of days from now, and I don't really want to wait that long to post this video, so that one may not be included. But just know that I do use those apps as long as I'm starting to use the Checkout 51, and I'm checking on a couple of others. So I'm always looking for ways to save money. So that's going to be it, you guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching grocery hauls along with a plethora of other things, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll be back really soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.